So there's only two reasons why your email marketing still sucks and sitting around at 5 or 20%, okay? Really, only two reasons. It's a real talk video here, nothing I will show you, just talking, okay? Reason number one is you have a knowledge problem, okay? Knowledge problem means you just watched a YouTube video or you thought about, I just go to Fiverr, make it very, very cheap, make it myself, bought maybe a course, and then apply email marketing for your brand, okay? It's important, brand. You apply it for your brand. Even if you put a Fiverr guy on there, it's still a knowledge problem because you thought about, okay, just make it cheap. And that's the reason your email marketing is still at 5 to 20%, okay? Because you maybe have the wrong trigger, you send wrong campaigns to less campaigns, maybe you have a deliverability issue, you have shit open rates, the email doesn't look too good, you have missing flows and so on, okay? It's better for you, you get an agency, okay? For example, what we are doing, because I have just one guy who's only doing copy, he's doing nothing else. You have one guy who's only doing designs. I have one guy who is doing the completely account management. Okay, and that is also the reason agencies like us, sometimes, not all of them, giving guarantees. What I also do, I tell always brands in the sales call, okay, I will double your email marketing revenue in the next 30 to 90 days. Usually we do it actually faster, in like 30 to 60 days. Otherwise you don't have to pay, so it's actually no risk. Okay, knowledge problem, that's the first problem. Problem number two is, sorry to say, but you're a fucking dropshipper. That's the reason your email marketing will never do more money, okay? I have clients, dropshipper clients, and I tell them in the sales call, they come to me like 8-9%, and I tell them, bro, we never get over 15%. If we are very, 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 very good, we get maybe 20%. Maybe you have 2 products, 3 products, and you have very, very, very good offer. We get you maybe to 25%, but that's it. You will never see for a dropshipper 40-50%. Why? Because your product is usually shit. Let's be honest, 90% of the dropshipper, and that's the crazy thing. Nowadays, dropshipper is a term. A dropshipper stands for, I have bad reviews in the internet, I send fucking shit problems, and I only want to make money. But that's not a brand. A brand always wanted to offer a solution, a solution for somebody. Oh, look, I have a product, I help people and stuff like this. They think about their people. A dropshipper, how much money I can make. That's it. And then you see all these dropshippers out there, they even make They make completely changes. Okay, I have now too much bad reviews in the internet. And now I may change completely my branding and all that stuff, make a new domain, new logo and stuff, and start from again. Okay? And just because you have a branding and colors and sending same emails and make it look like a brand, you're still not a brand. There are dropshippers, they're still doing good, and they are a brand, because actually dropshipping is just a method how to send the product, like a business method, okay? So how to send a product, okay? Don't need to invest in products and pay 10K upfront, and don't have a storage, and don't need to make all the quality shit. But most dropshippers, they are shit, and people know that. You send them with your ads on your page and they don't get really a brand feeling. They know there's only one product. So what campaign should I send? And I'm very good in what I'm doing. For the next 180 days, I can send all 2 days different campaigns. But it's still just one product. I can make a FAQ email. I can talk about the benefits from the product. I can talk about the benefits, the USPs or risk reversal from the brand. I can talk about testimonials, UGC videos. There's a million ideas I can have, but it's still just one product. I mean, you send people to the page, they like it or they don't like it. And then, of course, I can send emails and campaigns to remind them, but still there's no cross-selling, there's no upselling, there is no people will come back, there's no actually lifetime value. I can't increase the AOV. How? We can make offers like buy 2, get 3. Okay, but how often you want to do that? Dropshippers always doing sales. Brands are not doing only sales. Some brands are only doing 1 sales per month, max 2. And then they only send value campaigns. So make sure you're not these type of 90% of dropshippers. Even my mom came to me, I now fall for one of these dropshippers. I was like, how do you know what is a dropshipper? Yeah, I was ordering a product online, and first of all it took me 2 weeks until it arrived, and then also the quality was very shit, and then I wanted to return, and they should have sent it to China back. So also the customer experience is shit. That's not true for a brand, okay? That is the reason your email marketing will never go up like what the most brands are doing. Most of my clients doing 45 to 50%. I have no dropshipper client that's doing over 20%. So that's the only two reasons. If you have another problem, find an agency that will do it for you. If you are a dropshipper, just fix it. Don't focus on the fucking money, just focus really on the value for the customer. The money will come by itself, okay? So I hope it could help you. And wait, I need to add a CTA on the end of every video, people told me. So it's me, Kevin. I will double your email revenue in 30 to 90 days. If not, you don't pay. Click the link in the description below and book a call. Bye guys.